Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachut and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we decide our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. On my familiar setting, they're going to ask Odegaard, say, what will be the difference between Real Madrid setting and Arsenal setting? So Babako they talk, say almost say the dressing room they very different. Say when they for Real Madrid, say he no really play plenty games. But what you notice is say even come for the dressing room, they get many egos and they get different factions where they there. And him now nobody they follow and talk until the reason saying this small league we just come there they look everybody say you know good for young star to be for that kind of dressing room because all those kind maybe Benzema, Sergio Ramos, all those kind Asensio them that year. So if they did there, they don't go follow you talk. So the thing will they demoralize you. You don't go fit talk. We just want to move like moron. We just it could affect you go as a small league. So, but compared to Arsenal dressing room, everywhere just they peaceful, the atmosphere they nice, and they enjoy themselves. So as Baba do this interview finish, fans come the para say which kind of mood dressing room. So now dressing room we want chop. So what we want now team when they win, don't be by dressing room. They call they criticize the guy comment. I don't know how the comments they affect the way they talk. Say they don't want a nice dressing room, they want dressing room. Even if you get ego, even if you get problems, as far as then they win. So now that one way people call they talk around, I don't just understand. At the same time, Martin Q himself can't choke mouth for the matter when they talk say in the back Odegaard 100% because you need a good dressing room. You need a dressing room where you say everybody they at peace with each other. Don't be say dressing room will get different factions. This one they support this one, this one like this one, this one don't like this one. If you remember, sir, you get one time with Benzema, they catch him for tape when they tell blessing at Isco, I be Tony Cruz say making no they pass to Vinicius Junior. No, they don't give that boy a pass, no pass for her. They pass for me. They catch him, go and apologize. So King himself when they talk say, okay, for example now, check out when OZ they say Arsenal dressing room, they like this. You know they at peace, they get different factions. Some people they support OZ until they in Padina. Say why Coutinho go they play and why they just put the guy on exile, you know? Everywhere just they scatter until when the guy can't go, everywhere can return to peace. So Babaka they talk say you support the guy 100%, you need a nice dressing room to move forward. On my maritime spirit they call Gazzetta dello Sport. Don't come outside again. They call the talk say you see this move when Inter Milan won't buy Lacazette. That move depend on the sale of Alexis Sanchez. You know say before they think say Inter will just terminate Sanchez contract by January so then go come out when we were like as free agents. But now with the year say Inter don't change my say now sell they won't sell the guy for January. So anytime they sell him for January, if he move, they don't come for Lacazette. So that they get high hopes, say they go sell the guy for January. Well, January not too far again. More the watch as things will turn out. Okay, we come here, come outside. They advise for Larry Balogun. So Baba can tell and say, see, and this Arsenal way he did too comfortable for you because you did play on that 23 and you did boss net, they win any. I can't be like say you be superstar. Say it don't make sense again. Say make the guy can go out on loan for championship. May go play against defenders wey depend on the game to feed their family, to put their children for school, pay school fees. You get they have lots more at stake compared to under 23 where they play with nothing there at stake. Go test yourself against all these kind defenders. What be say say anybody who win the league know how they come back to EPL. So the league they very tough. Go play there. If you feel the boss then speaking week out and here, we go know say yes you don't arrive. Don't be say we play under 23 for backyard there, the boss net everybody come they happy say hey I'm a good striker. Ateta start me now, I score for under 23. Baba go on loan for January, go play for championship. I don't know whether on a reason the advice Baba they give this money. What do you think? Omoyoro Ramsey himself don't come outside from media setting where they ask and say what's the ambition for Arsenal so don't be like this now. So Baba can they talk say I think they like this now. The first thing we want to do be say we want for the first shirt, we don't collect that. Second one be say we want help Arsenal go Europe because make you no lie if you enter Arsenal, if you just open the gates, just enter inside. You go notice that uneasiness, you go notice that unhappiness waiting for the club. Why? People don't want to see only EPL and Cup, they won't go Europe. People want experience Champions League. People want hear that Champions League anthem. You know, that anthem they bring one kind of excitement. You know, if that those days, if I just hear that Champions League anthem like this, more one kind of electric thrill, we just do everybody that kind of tingling sensation. I just feel that. Well, now I know they feel all those things because I know they watch other things now. Once in a while, maybe you don't enter final, semi-final, I can't go scamp. So now everybody talks say we need that Champions League And if we don't fit enter top 4, at least we could start with top 6. We could go Europa League. Then from Europa League, we will aim to enter Champions League. So now our own goal for Arsenal is that if we fit achieve them, all the fans will be happy. That time we know so okay, we don't achieve our goals. So now what's about talk that? But surprise, Newcastle don't come outside again. Now that they find Felipe Coutinho of Barcelona, and what will the year be say? Felipe Coutinho said don't talk with the representatives of the new owners. Say go join them. Remember that say they find Felipe, they find Sterling, and they check other people they won't buy. The episode don't start. People will leave now for Newcastle, and arrivals will they enter. Hey, voila deal. On my monitoring spiritual, they call the Metro. So if don't come outside, can't chook mouth for this Lacazette and Sanchez matter for Inter Milan. So they call the talk say regardless of whether Inter Milan sell Sanchez or not. Say Inter Milan they 100% confident say they will get Lacazette for January. Say I don't know, they just get that confidence say they will get. Maybe they don't already talk with the representatives. We don't know. But my own question now be say how Arsenal will cope now, which means Arsenal will really buy striker for January, and I'm very happy about that. Now we done the targets, all those kind of Watkins and Dominic. Out of those two, if you buy one, I'm okay. You know, if you buy one, if you buy the two, I'll be super okay because Aubameyang will go Cup of Nations. Lacazette now if you go Inter, we are short up front. We can't now they don't advise Balogun now making go out on loan. So we'll be left with just Nketiah, and it's not possible for us to play that January with Nketiah alone. It no go make sense. It will set us back. So Moko Kukuma buy our replacements immediately. If we buy Oli Watkins and Dominic, it will suit my belly die. But if we buy those two, if we say we won't buy one, that Dominic will collect that guy. Or it may be another better person will come better pass the two go come outside. Who knows? But if we buy that one, it will make sense. Even Darren Ben don't come outside the chook mouth for Newcastle matter. So Babaka the talk say, as things they go now, the Newcastle will come for Aubameyang, and you know go dey surprised Aubameyang go join them because you don't trust the guy. That one my problem. They won't come for him, they come for him. They buy him, they carry and go. I'm making no waste time. They're talking that the reason who is the money. At least if we sell the guy with better money, they won't come for him. Who is the money? Go buy better striker. We need, at least if they can't help me and we just buy Dominic and Oli Watkins, carry the two just enter. It goes with my belly. Who Aubameyang get? I mean, he goes in the score for us. But I don't shana. No even get presence. No get hold up play. No gra. Just the leg. The guy don't overstay. Welcome, Jerry. In best days don't pass. No be now again. Odegaard goal when score against Burnley, that free kick from 25 yards, they don't win goal of the month of September. So they're very happy for the guy. At least now we don't hope so we don't get midfield and free kick maestro. So anytime we just get that kind of free kick, 20 yards, 25 yards, no say if he play like 3, no one go score like 1 or score like 2 at least. Unlike before we go play 10, we will score 1. So that's my own happiness now. So another thing why the Premier will feel enjoy in a corner. They had fast now score corner. We know they easily score corner. I don't understand why. So for another free crossing, maybe say I will get Gabriel Magalhaes there now. I will get Ben White. At least when I start to learn how to not corner, and that one might be another advantage you know they take. So well, for the watchers this button, I wish Odegaard all the best and we thank him for the free kick we score for us that day because I want to help us collect our 3 points. But David Seaman don't come outside from media setting where they call the Oscar making chook mouth for the debate between who is a better keeper between Ben Leno and Aaron Ramsdale. Onto himself na keeper and himself na they coach them now for Emirates now for the goalkeeping department. So Babaka talks say well making no like say Leno don't keep better saves for us in the past. He has done very well in the past. All those years we be saying they get defenders like Mustafi, those kind of people they cause calamity, Socrates, Papastopoulos, They can't talk about the guy, talk about some kind of errors will lead to goals, but can't talk say the reason we make Arteta go drafting Ramsdale, nobody to come stay for Benjamin. He brought him to become a number 1. And the truth about Ramsdale is that say Ramsdale they good at the feet. They use leg, play very well, can use leg throw pass from the defense. Say they good and sabi play ball on the ground, he get confidence. Another one be saying he did very good in the air and he did testaments for the match against Burnley. So if you watch that match against Burnley put in about 35 crosses inside the box and none was successful. The guy they come outside, they challenge for the ball, they collect the ball, corner, he go come outside, dive, collect the ball for your head, drop on the ground, relax. So that one don't give him that confidence. So when you check all those things, obviously make you no lie now. Unless you want to talk, say you won't lie. So maybe your love for Ben Leno they cloud your judgment. No one can talk the truth. If not, everybody knows say Ramsdale is better than Leno. So Baba just kill the arguments, just die am. Get the reason I just happy. All those you talk say Leno. You don't know say Ramsdale they better unless you won't lie. So that's what the matter just be. So my dear football lovers, Now here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we sell our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us. I see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us.